Hi friends, Nifty and Bank Nifty were able to finally close in positive today. We opened with a gap, and after that, we were able to hold the gap and we were able to close positive. A lot of stocks have actually started moving up. Now, is this confirming that the trend has changed? Can we actually go ahead and do aggressive long positions right now? What exactly has to be done for tomorrow, which is option expiry, the first option expiry for the December season, which is going to start tomorrow. So what is that has to be done? If you are wondering how to do this, I'll actually answer this. Watch this video till the end. My name is Sriharsha. I'm a stock market trader, investor, coach. I help people to understand how to trade in the stock market and how to do the right kind of investment. This is my personal opinion, and if you are interested to actually do any kind of trade or investment, please take your advice of your financial consultant. So this is my standard disclaimer. So let's get started, guys. So let's get started with tomorrow. So if you remember what I have told you yesterday, day before yesterday also, I have told you this is a place where you are going to get trapped if you are going to short. Don't short these levels. I have told you, I've kept on telling you from the last Friday itself. I've been talking to you about this. And if you see, market still is not able to clearly move up, but at the same time, it is not going down. So if you have been seeing most of the stocks which have gone down, also a lot of short covering has started, and this is where market is showing strength and bank nifty has started showing strength. That is a big thing which you can see. So let's see what actually is the levels for tomorrow. For tomorrow we will be seeing the support at 17,050, 17,100. See, the highest open interest is at 17,000, so 17,000 is going to be held, and even 17,100 we have seen a lot of open interest which has been built up from the put side, which means most likely, if any point of time, if we go below 17,100, there's a very high possibility that prices will be pushed upwards. Now here, what has happened is the highest open interest, if I have to see, it was at 17,300, 17,500 is where the major highest open interest is there. Then there was a lot of open interest for the call writing which had built up at 17,300. Now today it has built up at 17,200 also. Now 17,200, as long as we are trading above that, all these calls will get covered, and all these calls, the buying will get started for that. So the short covering has to happen there. Now 17,300, 350 will still act as a very strong resistance. Now we need to see if we can hold beyond that. What I can see is Nifty may tomorrow we will be seeing most of the time market, if we open somewhere around 17,200 and above that, probably we will trade between 17,200 to 300, and if we are able to sustain that, maybe 17,300 to 350 or maybe 400. That is something which is possible. If we are unable to do that, then probably we will be between 17,100 to 200, 50 points here and there. So the point which I have showed you to 17,050 to 17,250, this could be one level, or probably 17,150 on the lower side and 17,300, 350 on the higher side. Probably these are the two levels which I am seeing. If we can sustain about 17,300, 350, and a short covering rally is going to come, then probably we will move towards 17,400 or 500. It's quite possible. Will it happen or not? We have to see. It all depends on how the market is going to behave and what is going to happen with the global markets. Most of the global markets, the European markets and the US markets, have shown a good resilience and shown a lot of evidence where there is a possibility of a rebound which is going to happen, the reversal of the trend which is happening. But we need to see how it's going to continue. The most important thing is the follow through buying which has to happen. Just one day actually up move will not actually help us in understanding whether the global markets are ready, because there is a lot of gap downs, especially in the European markets. But the US market is quite strong, and we will be closely watching today how they are going to close. I think it will be definitely on the positive side only, but to what extent are they doing and how is the things, if we are able to make a new high in Nasdaq is something we will be watching. Dow Jones is very weak. Now probably they will be getting some strength, but we have to start looking at that. And let's look at the Bank Nifty part. Bank Nifty today we have seen a good amount of momentum which has started. Now 36,000 is going to act as a very strong support. 36,100, 36,000 to 36,100. I think this is where we get the support, and 36,400, 500 will act as a resistance. If we can sustain above this and move ahead, now 36,800, 37,000, 37,200. These are the levels where we may face resistance. Now we need to see if we can surpass this and move beyond that. If we can surpass this and move beyond that, there could be a good short covering rally, which can actually take the Bank Nifty to maybe 37,500, 38,000. All those things are possible. Will it happen tomorrow? We need to see. Otherwise, we will be looking in this range only. We'll be looking mainly between 36,000 to 36,500, or probably 36,500 to 37,000. Probably these are the two levels which I am actually looking for. And only if we can sustain about 37,000, 37,200, then there could be a good short covering rally which can happen. So we will see how actually things will happen, and I'll update you on that. Tomorrow morning, I'll come on live with the option expiry live, so there we can probably explore more. And guys, if you want to know about your stocks, I'll be starting the stock talk show in a while, so stay tuned. I'll be actually coming back. Thank you very much. And if you're not a part of my YouTube channel, go ahead, like this video, subscribe the channel, hit the bell button. Thank you. Bye bye. See you.